रिलेशनशिप एक ऐसा लड्डू है जो खाए वो भी पछता है और जो ना खाए वो भी पछता है।
लड्डू वाली बात है, लड्डू लड्डू। Today we are here back at Priya Market, Vasant Vihar to interview single men. Is there something you wish women knew better about men?
Not everyone is a playboy. There are genuine people out there who are actually kind and like sweet.
First thing that I noticed in a woman would be her body language.
How?
The spine should be straight.
Okay.
Confident in her walk.
Walk. Okay.
Yes.
I need guys laundry लपाटे चाहिए, लड़के चाहिए. Would you be okay if she is not taking your surname?
I mean, I have a decent surname, why not?
What's your surname?
Batra.
It's our choice.
वाओ यार, आप तो पूरे ग्रीन फ्लैग हो. अरे यार, ये बंदा अब मूवी चला गया. पहले इंटरव्यू करो ना यार. What is this? You want to watch movie over me? Me? थोड़ा सा controversial है. Would you be okay marrying her if your mom doesn't like her?
I'll have to convince my mother on that.
And what if she's not convinced?
Then she'll have to make peace with it.
Is it okay if she earns more than you?
I would love that, why not? Take me out.
If I am there, why she need to earn more? She should enjoy her life.
So welcome back to another episode of Love in the City. So you are single. So what's your type?
My type is someone beautiful and smart, and I think a little warm.
Someone athletic. Someone who's slightly taller. And
Then you?
No.
Probably brainy.
Understanding. Looks doesn't matter for me.
Looks first and then
Obviously.
personality also matters.
Yeah, but पहले looks थोड़ा.
पहले looks.
Someone that listens a lot, cares a lot, is very considerate.
Are you a good listener?
I would like to believe I am.
That's good. That's important.
People who like jokes a lot. I can quip back at them and they can quip back at me. They share some of the hobbies, and even if they don't, they kind of are open to it. I'm open to exploring their hobbies too.
Is there something you wish women knew better about men?
apart from features, we look at a lot more things. And if someone works on their personality, we do take note.
We're not attracted to every single girl that we see. We are very attracted to personalities.
Not everyone is a playboy. There are probably genuine people out there who are actually like kind and like sweetheart. If the lens is a little more open, you can actually find good people.
वो समझती नहीं है कि लाइक बंदे के भी इतना प्रेशर है, वो लाइक कैसे मैनेज कर रहा है, लाइक उसको लाइक उसके आगे के भी प्लान्स हैं और लाइक वो अपनी रिलेशनशिप लेके साथ चल रहा है, तो लाइक वो थोड़ा लाइक इतना समझ नहीं पाती.
For any guy who wants to make it big in life, they just need some space to think more.
Okay.
I wish I got more time for my hobbies a little bit more.
You should understand that if you are asking for space, that doesn't mean that you don't love them.
Yes.
भाई इतने रिजेक्शन मिल रहे हैं ना मेन से, मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि आई विल बी रिजेक्टेड बाय अ लॉट ऑफ मेन. इमेजिन, बट जस्ट सी सौम्या. And what's your deal breaker
I'd say being overly friendly with other guys.
with other guys?
Yeah, I would say that's a big thing for me.
If the person is not intellectually stimulating, that is my ick.
If she's one who believes in zodiac signs on anything, I believe that is something that is a deal breaker for me.
Yeah. फालतू की चीजें नहीं चलेगी.
Yeah, exactly.
I think table manners is something that gives me the ick. So
Just a very materialistic person who's just motivated just to please the society. That's just added pressure on the guy to just do more, find shadier ways to make more money.
A woman that does not have enough respect for me, herself, or our relationship, especially in the way that she interacts, the way she perceives herself and others around her.
My deal breaker would be if she's not mature, I would say. I can't handle someone who can't hold a conversation, who's not mature enough to understand complicated topics.
If she is like too much of a narcissist, I believe that is something that
Narcissist.
that is something that is a deal breaker for me.
Would you be okay if she is not taking your surname?
I honestly think like changing your surname is a very arduous process. You have to change in each and every document. Yeah, I think
फालतू की बसर.
फालतू की बसर. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
better that you don't change it. It's fine.
I agree.
It's completely fine.
Why not? I mean, I have a decent surname, why not?
What's your surname?
Batra.
तो आप चाहते हो?
Yes, sure.
it's our choice.
वाओ यार, आप तो पूरे ग्रीन फ्लैग हो.
I don't believe like my wife really need to adopt my surname.
तो वो आप नहीं चाहते हो?
नहीं.
If she wants, she can keep. If she wants to keep her, she can keep hers, or we both can keep each other's also. I mean, I'm open to that.
हाँ, ये अच्छा लगा. And what about your kids? Kids किसका surname लेंगे?
Well, if the name goes well with mine, they'll take mine.
थोड़ा सा controversial है. Okay. Would you be okay marrying her if your mom doesn't like her?
I think I'll convince her. I have a good convincing power, so yeah, I'll convince her.
full surety है हाँ बढ़िया. I like your
100%.
confidence though.
What a question. I would want for my mom to like her as well, but I think
You'll ignore.
no, I would get it done somehow. You know, I would make it happen somehow. For true love, anything.
मे बी शायद मुझे लाइक अपार्ट होना पड़े फैमिली से, लेकिन आई नो दैट दे विल लाइक
मान जाएंगे.
मान जाएंगे.
I'll have to convince my mother on that.
And what if she's not convinced? Then what?
Then she'll have to make peace with it.
Mom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because your choice is first choice,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, I have to spend my life with her.
Exactly.
So even though there'll be some unpleasantness, I would say, but I think it's just a matter of how soon she can see what I see in her.
I don't think my parents have that much say in who I marry and all. It would be nice to have their blessing, but yeah, I don't think that'll be a deal breaker.
जैसे ढूंढती हूँ मैं हर कहीं वो लड़का है कहाँ. Na, 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 na. So what is the first thing you notice in a woman?
Her confidence.
The way she greets me.
A smile.
Okay.
So in a very materialistic world where everyone can pretend to look their best, the best thing you can do is just have a smiling face with good energy, and one should be able to hold on a conversation. That's
important.
First thing that I noticed in a woman would be her body language.
Body language, like how?
The spine should be straight.
Okay.
You should be confident in her walk.
Walk. Okay.
Yes.
If they're extroverted, that's a very big green flag, I would say, for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like those kind of people who can who are outgoing and all.
For men, dating थोड़ा सा harder होता है than women. Is it?
डेटिंग को और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को मैनेज करना साथ में एज अ मैन काफ़ी लाइक चैलेंजिंग है.
Attention part, we do get less attention compared to women.
Coming up with date plans, I think.
Yeah.
Coming up, because once you're in a 1 year, 2 year relationship, you have done everything you can think of, right? You have gone to every cafe, you've gone to every movie that you can think of, you've done everything. So coming up with new and exciting plans, that gets a bit harder and harder.
I think nothing is hard if you are in love.
Really?
Yeah.
कुछ भी hard नहीं है.
Nah.
I do think there's this weird notion of, you know, the guy having to take responsibility for a lot of things, especially when the relationship is very new. You know, that he must take the woman out on all the dates and all of these things, and it's very nice. But I think it should be done basis love and not because, you know, there's an expectation.
You have to. Do you want to do it?
Most of the times I do want to do it, but when there's an expectation, right? No one likes doing things because they're almost being forced to, right? Everything should be natural. I think.
Would you be okay if your wife earns more than you?
Yeah, no worries about it. Why not?
मजे ही मजे हैं.
Yeah.
Great question.
Better.
Better है.
If I am there, why she need to earn more? She should enjoy her life. Obviously, if she wants to earn, she can have something like where she don't have the stress to earn and come back home. She can enjoy that thing.
She doesn't need to, but if she wants to,
yes.
she can.
Yes. पैसा तो घर पे
पैसा तो घर पे ही आ रहा है.
As long as she doesn't insult me for it.
Okay.
Yeah. It will be okay as long as it's not like I am like a bigger earner and that doesn't creep into the relationship as a who's doing more, who's doing
Who's
less.
doing less? Is it okay if she earns more than you in future?
I mean, I would love that. Why not? Take me out.
Take me out, please. So, if you had to give one advice to the people like you out there,
Listen to your partner, have a very good communication. That's the most important part. I cannot emphasize how important that is.
Just take care of your girl because she is the queen.
You'll never find anybody who's 10 on 10. Neither you'll be perfect nor the girl. So
Okay.
you just need to be with somebody who's motivated for all the right things. So if you can just put yourself out there, see who fits your value system, and if you can find that one person, then it should not be that
Should
hard.
not.
Shit just happens. Work on yourself and find someone better. Is what I have to
Yay.
say. Yeah.
You have to understand each other and be a good listener. That's it.
good listener.
Yes.
Good listener.
And
over-
not just a listen. Act on it. Please
on it.
act on it.
good listener over a rich man. Any.
जैसा कि सबने सुना ही होगा कि रिलेशनशिप एक ऐसा लड्डू है जो खाए वो भी पछता है और जो ना खाए वो भी पछता है. तो यार ये सब अपनी अपनी ऊपर की बात है. आपको जैसा सही लगे, आपको अंदर से फील आते कि नहीं यार मुझे कोई चाहिए, तो आप जाओ. और अगर आपको नहीं लगता तो यार ऐसे भी ठीक है, क्योंकि वही बात है, वो लड्डू वाली बात है एक.
लड्डू वाली बात है. लड्डू.
Get a type.
Get?
Just get a type.
Know your type, basically.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of people, they don't even know the type. They don't have a type at all. So I would say get a type. recognize the type of women that you like, find them in crowds, talk to them, be confident about it. They're not going to approach you. Be confident. Let's hope everything goes out.
Because if they don't know their type, they would want their current woman to change and be a certain
Exactly.
type. Exactly. Rather date someone you genuinely want. Why to change someone, right?
Exactly. We don't talk enough. We don't express enough. Once you need to step out of the shell,
Don't rush into things. You'll get there. You'll find the one you love or the one who really wants to be with you. Rather than forcing it, let it happen naturally. I mean, that's what I would give to today's world.
We are done and it's time for me to go home. It was genuinely a very insightful day for me. I learned so much. We'll meet next time. If you like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.